Hey, let me show you the visual comparison between the Huawei Watch Fit 3 and the Apple Watch SE2 from 2022. So at the first, the devices looks really close to each other. And when you take a look on the right side, especially, we can actually find almost the same buttons, even the same microphone position. So take a look. There is the microphone on the Huawei Watch Fit 3, and there's the microphone on the Apple Watch. And the first difference is actually the size of the button. So on the Huawei Watch Fit 3, this button actually comes out of the housing, right? So we can actually physically touch it. But right here on the Apple Watch, it's completely flat, this button. So the crowd control, it looks the same, honestly. When you try to use it, it feels actually the same. And when you take a look about the edge, I mean the second edge right here, there's also the speaker on the Huawei Watch Fit 3, and on the Apple Watch it's a little bit bigger, as you can see. Yeah, and the screen on the Apple Watch is actually more bent. So I mean that there's like more curves on the edges than on the Watch Fit 3. This one is almost completely flat. So it will be actually easier to apply the screen protector on the Huawei Watch Fit 3 than on the Apple Watch. And when we take a look at the bottom on the devices, okay, I will try to get rid of the mess that I have right here on my Apple Watch. There we go. So I'm gonna zoom in the camera. So here we have the sensor on the Apple Watch. Let me just try to clean it. There are some greasy marks. Okay, now it looks better, definitely. And that's how it looks on the Huawei Watch Fit 3. There we go. So there's like the different sensor, and probably it's more accurate on the Apple Watch SE2. But if you are looking for some comparison, definitely I will highly recommend you to go for the Quantify Scientist channel. And if you take a look right here, we've got almost the same button to remove the straps, but this method is a little bit different because when you click here on the Apple Watch, you have to slide it to the one of the side, but on the Huawei, you have to just pull it towards you and it will actually jumps out. So yeah, this is it, the visual comparison between these two devices. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.